You know, I've been thinking about this, guys, and how important it is to fix your credit and to fix your finances. Right now, the national average just increased over 50% of people that the first thing that happens in people's lives in marriages, the cause of a divorce, is because of finances. It is the number one reason for divorces is people are always arguing about finances. Second, followed by infidelity, and third by communication. That being said, think about this for a second. I mean, this is just a simple fix and solution. If you are struggling with your credit and your finances and you're having relationship problems, you guys are arguing, whether it's a girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, fiance, whatever the case is, that means that 1 out of 2 people are having a problem and they're always arguing about this. That's 50% of people. It's either me or you. So think about this, guys. If you want to get your finances in order and you want to get your relationship in order, then I want you to show up and spend an hour with me. I'm doing a free training. I can't ask for any more for you guys to come on, be with me, and I'll share with you some of the things that I did to save my marriage. I was on the brinks of literally a divorce when I came across the 3 secrets that I'm going to share with you guys. Because we were always fighting. We were always struggling with, like, how are we going to pay our car payments? How are we going to pay our bills? How are we going to pay our house payment? How are we going to pay, our cars? How are we going to pay our credit cards? And a lot of you guys, I just don't want that to happen. I do this channel every single day for a reason, because I want to bring different topics about credit and finances to you. But this one is extremely important, because the 3 things I'm going to share with you are not only going to show you how to make 6, 7, or 8 figures in a down economy, but also I know that I'm speaking to someone out there who has arguments about money. I know it. There's hundreds of people watching this right now that are arguing with their fiance, their spouse, their girlfriend, boyfriend about payments. How are we going to pay this? How are we going to do this? It's a constant argue. That's the reason why the divorce rate is so high, based on that statistic. So click the link below, get in. Guys, look, I'm telling you, I got 250 seats. I think I have 13 left as of right now for tomorrow. This is going out tomorrow, Friday, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I want you guys to get on here. It's a free training. Check it out. Literally, I'm going to be talking about, if you can't spend an hour with me, then your marriage or relationship and your finances mean nothing to you. But if you're like, you know what, Mike, I'll spend the hour with you and I'll do the training, and if it makes sense, I'll be there, then it makes sense to you. I can only do what I can do. I can't grab you and pull you from your house or from what you're trying to do to say, hey, be on this free training. But I can tell you that there's not been a single person that has joined and has been on this training that hasn't benefited tremendously. Over the last 60 days, we've helped thousands of people, and I'm sure I've saved thousands of relationships as well. Here's what I ask from you. Click the link below. Get your free seat. Claim it right now. It's tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I want to see you guys there because I love you, and I thank you for everything you've done. This is my way of giving back. Click the link below. Get signed up right now when you see this video so you don't miss it, and you can save your finances, your relationship, and your credit. Thank you, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Share us with everybody, please, that could use the help. And I want to see you so I can do a shout out tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click below, get in the link now. See you guys.